Okay, so yesterday we used distributive form, right? Alright, since we've already said this. Alright, today we're going to use expanded form. And as Heather explained, expanded form is using place value to break a big number apart. So we have 5 times 143, and we can break 143 into expanded form. How do I do that, Alexis? 100 plus 40 Good. Okay. So I can easily do 5 times 100, right? What is 5 times 100? Daniel.
I have a question before I answer it.
Okay.
So we need to
throw that in trash, please.
We need to just add the bigger number and just leave the smaller number by itself.
This is expanded form, so I don't understand the question.
We have to expand the bigger number, but we leave the
because you're leaving the 5. I mean, you can't expand 5, right? It's just 5.
Unless it's 55. Okay.
It's 500, right? Okay, so just like distributive form, I'm going to have to times 5 by every single number. So what's going to go in this area right here? What is going to go in that area? Terry.
So 5 is going to a number, so 5 times 50 times.
Where do you get 50? Here's the original equation. Where do you get 50? Don't know? Okay. Who else can answer? Brantley?
5 times 100.
We already did that. Alexis?
5 times 10.
No. Where are you getting 10? Why? I've already solved 100. Ivan? Why 5 times 500? If you were having distributive property, would you do 5 times 500? No, what would you do? Thank you. 5 times 40. Okay, and then what's going to go in my third one? Trinity.
5 times 30.
Good. So all I'm doing is 5 times each one of these numbers. Okay. So, Robert, what is 5 times 40?
5 times 40 is...
Robert, look at me. Remember with zeros, all I got to do is times the first number. What's 5 times 4?
20.
20, and then I'm going to add how many zeros? 1 0, good. And then 5 times 3, Hayes. Okay, so I'm going to, Miss Fernley kind of went ahead of the steps right here. There's steps. So we can shade the model. So what they did is what? Distributive property, right?
Yeah.
So we did 5 times 100, 5 times 40, 5 times 3. Okay. All right. Which is kind of what they did right here. So this would have been 5 times 100.
They did already for us.
Yeah, Miss Fernley just didn't go down. Sorry. I know, I go ahead of things all the time.
I never fail.
I'm not erasing. Alright, so you have the steps there that Miss Fernley just did. Okay, so we're going to skip down to down here to step 4. Okay? So then what am I going to do? Just like distributive property, when I times everything, what am I going to do with it, Gianluca? With the homework that we did yesterday, we times it out, and then what did we do? You did your homework, correct? Okay, what did you do? Don't lean in your chair. You multiplied it out, then what? Okay, we multiplied it out. What's the next step? Please don't say multiply again, because it's not multiplication. You multiplied it out and got the answers. Then what did you do with the answers?
What?
Okay, I want you to go back and I want you to watch the video from yesterday, because you don't understand what you're doing, and you need to understand what you're doing. Esme, what did we do with the answers? Added them together, okay? So all you're doing is adding these together. What is 0 plus 0 plus 5?
1.
What is 0 plus 0 plus 1?
1.
What is 5 plus 2?
7.
So then my answer is 715.
Okay, it's fun.
Okay? Alright. Okay, same thing with distributive property. It says the gift shop at the animal park orders 3 boxes of toy animals. Each box has 1,250 toy animals. How many toy animals does the shop order? How many of you can solve 1,250 times 3 in your head?
Wait.
You can, Melina? What is the answer? So you raised your hand without listening? Can you multiply this in your head right now?
Whoa.
No. Okay. So let's use expanded form. What is my distribution? I have 3 times. No. What is the first thing I do? What's my biggest place value? Jessica. 3 times what? No? How do you do expanded form? Naji, do you know how to do expanded form? Okay, so what is 1,250 in expanded form?
1,200.
Okay, why didn't they go over to the 0? Oh, because there's no 0, right? There's no 1. Good. All right, so we have 3 times 1,000, 3 times 200, right? And 3 times 50. What is 3 times 1,000, Jessica? Okay, 3 times 1,000 is 3,000. Good. What is 3 times 200, Jenna?
3 times 2 is 6.
Okay, 3 times 2 is 6, and she added the 2 zeros, so it's 600. And 3 times 50, Naji?
3 times 5 is 15. Add the 0.
Great. 3 times 5 is 15. Add the 0, and 150. Okay, now what am I going to do, Terry?
So now you're gonna add them up.
I'm going to add all these numbers. And they gave us this box over here to do that. That's very nice of them. So we have 3,000, we have 600, and we have 150. What's 0 plus 0 plus 0?
0.
What's 0 plus 0 plus 5?
5.
What's 0 plus 6 plus 1?
7.
And 3 plus 0.
Yes! I knew it.
The answer is 3,750 animals. Sorry guys, I'm watching this part from you.
No.
If you guys ever need to move over there and do so. Alright. Let's do a couple together before we go to recess.
Wait, recess is right now? Did you record that?
It's recording still.
Dang, it is. No one expected that. No one expected that. This friendly.
I did not give you time for free talk. Jean-Luc, I need you to sit up. No, all the way up. Not with your hands on your head. Thank you. I need you alert and focus. Alright, so we have 4 times 213 using expanded form. They already did half of the work for us. Okay? It's 4 times 200 times 10 times 3. So how am I going to break this apart right here? What's my equation going to be?
No.
Ivan?
No.
Okay, 4 times so now I'm going to multiply it all out. Natalia, what's my first one? Okay, my first one is 4 times 200. Good. Carolina, what's my second one?
10 times 3?
No. Why would we do 10 times 3 when it's 4 times?
Oh, 4 times 10.
Okay, so the second one is 4 times 10. Yavi, what is my third one? I don't need the answer. What is it? 4 times 4 times 3. Good.
Yay.
Now I want the answers. What's 4 times 200? Aubrey. 800. So 4 times 2 is 8, and then add the zeros. What is 4 times 10? Elise. 40. Good. And what is 4 times 3, Damien? Stop making noises. 4 times 3 is 12. So I'm going to add those together with these nice little boxes that they gave us again. Mrs. Fernley loves graph paper. All right, 0 plus 0 plus 2 is? 2. 0 plus 4 plus 1? 5. 8 plus 0? 8. My answer is 852.
Yay. Done. Yeah.
Please stop playing with what you're playing with down there. You're not even filling out what we were doing. All right. Let's do 2 and 3 together. Okay, now they didn't give us boxes. Now we got to do it on our own. How do I break up 59 into expanded form? Jessica, how do I break 59 up into expanded form? 50, good. And then? What times 9? No, Jessica's gonna answer. I can't answer. Not yet. I don't have the times there. I don't know what to times 9 by. 4, good. Now I'm going to multiply these out. What's 4 times 50, Jenna?
4 times 50. So 4 times 5 equals 20. And then add a 0.
Good. 4 times 5 is 20. Add a 0. Nathan, what is 4 times 9? 4 times 9 is 36. Good. Miss Friendly didn't line those up very well. What's 6 plus 0? 3. What is 3 plus 0?
3.
What is 2 plus 0?
2.
Then my answer is 236.
Yay!
Okay, last one we're doing together. Gianluca, how do I break up 288 by expanded form? Okay, 3 times, good. 3 times 200, good. What else? And what? Sorry. 80, good. Good. All right. 3 times 200. I know, I'm sorry. I blocked the board.
Done. I can see it.
Daniel, 3 times 200.
You said 200? 6.
6. Good. 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Add the 2 zeros. What is 3 times 80? Esme. close. David.
24.
24 and what?
Add a 0.
Add a 0. And what is 3 times 8 then, Esme? Look at 24. Good. Mrs. Fernley didn't line these up again very well. Sorry.
You lined them up fine.
No, I didn't. 24. Good. That way I can just line them up and add them. 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 0 plus 4 plus 2. 6 plus 2.
8.
Answer is 864.
Wow,